Bonjour, miinawaa, Anishinaabe, Duke. Welcome back to another version of our Ojibwe language table where we go through the notes from the prior weeks. This week we're going to be working on July 16th notes. And yeah, we'll go from there. So we have VAI, verb, animate, and transitive. An action is happening by an animate being but isn't doing anything to anyone. So VAI. During the 16th, we reviewed the notes from July 9th, and we'll get right into what our notes have today. So we have VAI, positive, past tense verb statements. Past tense, when we see past tense verbs, we're going to use gi plus our verb. If we're talking about third person, she or he, gi plus the verb. So here we go. Number one, giwi sine. She or he ate. Giwi sine. Nij, Giminique, she or he drank, Giminique, Niswe, Gipimose, she or he walked, Gipimose, Niwen, Gipimi Batu, she or he ran, Gipimi Batu, Nanin, Gipindige, she or he entered, Gipindige. I'll move to VAI, positive past tense in the first person perspective. On the front, we're just going to add in, then past tense gi plus our verb. And then note short vowel I drops and also the O drops off on these statements, on these words. So preference, you can use the N here if you want, but I'm going to go through without the N today. And here we go. Basic. Ingiwisin. I ate. Ingiwisin. Nij. Ingiminique. I drank. Ingiminique. Niswe. Ingibimose. I walked. Ingibimose. Niwen. Ingibimibatu. I ran. Ingibimibatu. Nanin. Ingibindige. I entered. Ingibindige. All right, so those are I statements. And the last one for the positive past tense is second person perspective, talking about you. We're going to add gi to the front. Gi is our past tense marker. And then our verb, along with this rule at the end, short vowel I and O drops off. So here we go. Basic. Gigiwisin. You ate. Gigiwisin. Nij. Gigiminique. You drank. Gigiminique. Niswe. Gigibimose. You walked. Gigibimose. Niwen. Gigibimibatu. You ran. Gigibimibatu. And nanin. Gigibindige. You entered. Gigibindige. Aha, Bwaanens.
VAI, negative past tense verb statements. Third person, she or he didn't. So we're going to use gawin plus gi plus verb plus si. Basic, number one. Gawin giwi sinisi. She or he didn't eat. Gawin giwi sinisi. Nish. Gawin giminikwesi. She or he didn't drink. Gawin giminikwesi. Niswe. Gawin gibimosesi. She or he didn't walk. Gawin gibimosesi. Niwen. Gawin gibimibatusi. She or he didn't run. Gawin gibimibatusi. Nanan. Gawin gibindigesi. She or he didn't enter. Gawin gibindigesi. Okay, VAI, negative past tense verb statements. First person, I didn't. So we're going to use gawin, ningi, or ingi, plus verb, plus si. Basic, gawin ingiwi sinisi. I didn't eat. Gawin ingiwi sinisi. Nish, gawin ingi manikwesi. I didn't drink. Gawin ingi manikwesi. Niswe, gawin ingi bimosesi. I didn't walk. Gawin ingi bimosesi. Niwan, gawin ingi bimibatusi. I didn't run. Gawin ingi bimibatusi. Nanan, gawin ingi bindigesi. I didn't enter. Gawin ingi bindigesi. Okay, moving on to VAI, negative past tense verb statements. Second person, you didn't. So we're going to use gawin plus gi plus gi plus verb plus si. Basic, gawin gigiwi sinisi. You didn't eat. Gawin gigiwi sinisi. Nish, gawin gigi minikwesi. You didn't drink. Gawin gigi minikwesi. Niswe, gawin gigi bimosesi. You didn't walk. Gawin gigi bimosesi. Niwan, gawin gigi bimibatusi. You didn't run. Gawin gigi bimibatusi. Nanan, gawin gigi bindigesi. You didn't enter. Gawin gigi bindigesi.
Moving on. VAI, positive verb, future tense verb statements. So the last group we just used past tense gi. And so now in this one, third person, future tense, we're going to use we plus our verb. All right, here we go. Basic. We sinisi. We sin. Nisi. She or he will or wants to eat. We sinisi. Oh, we sini. Way off. We sini. All right. Nij. We minikwe. She or he will or wants to drink. We minikwe. Niswe. We bimose. She or he will or wants to walk. We bimose. Niwan. We bimi batu. She or he will or wants to run. We bimi batu. And nanan. We being the gay. She or he will or wants to enter. We being the gay. All right. VAI, positive future tense verb statements in the first person perspective. You'll see one S sometimes. We're going to add ni to the front. We, our future tense marker, plus our verb. And here comes our rule again. Short vowel I and O drops off on the verb when we add a tense marker. So here we go. When we talk about me or you. Basic, niwiwisin. I will or want to eat. Niwiwisin. Nij, niwiminikwe. I will or want to drink. Niwiminikwe. Niswe, niwibimose. I will or I want to walk. Niwibimose. Niwin, niwibimibatu. I will or want to run. Niwibimibatu. Nanan, niwibindige. I will or I want to enter. Niwibindige. Those were I will statements. I will or I want to statements. And the last one for our positive, we have second person talking about you will or want to. And we're gonna put ge on the front. We are future tense. And then the verb once again, and then the rule, the short I and O drops off the verb. So here we go. Beijik giwiwisin. You will or want to eat. Giwiwisin. Nij giwi. You will or you want to drink. This way. Giwi. You will or want to walk. Giwi. Niwan. Giwi. You will or you want to run. Giwi. Nanan. Giwi. You will or you want to enter. Giwi.
Okay, VAI, negative future tense verb statements, third person. So we're gonna use gawin plus we plus verb plus si. Aha, basic. Gawin we sinisi. She doesn't want to eat. Gawin we sinisi. Nish. Gawin we minikwesi. She won't drink or doesn't want to drink. Gawin we minikwesi. This way. Gawin we bimosesi. She won't walk or doesn't want to walk. Gawin we bimosesi. Niwan. Gawin we bimibatusi. She or he won't run or doesn't want to run. Gawin we bimibatusi. Nanan. Gawin we bindigesi. She or he won't enter or doesn't want to enter. Gawin we bindigesi. Next one. Negative future tense verb statements, first person. So we're going to use gawin plus ni plus we plus verb plus si. Ingodwaso. Gawin ni we sinisi. I don't want to eat. Gawin ni we sinisi. Nijwaso. Gawin ni we minikwesi. I don't want to drink. Gawin ni we minikwesi. Nishwaso. Gawin ni we bimosesi. I don't want to walk. Gawin ni we bimosesi. Shangaso. Gawin ni we bimibatusi. I don't want to run. Gawin ni we bimibatusi. Medaso. Gawin ni we bindigesi. I don't want to enter. Gawin ni we bindigesi. Okay. VAI, negative future tense verb statements, second person. We're going to use gawin, ge, plus we, plus verb, plus si. Ingodwaso. Gawin giwiwisinisi. You won't eat. Gawin giwiwisinisi. Nijwaso. Gawin giwiminikwesi. You won't drink. Gawin giwiminikwesi. Nishwaso. Gawin giwibimosesi. You won't walk. Gawin giwibimosesi. Shangaso. Gawin giwibimibatusi. You won't run. Gawin giwibimibatusi. Medaso. Gawin giwibindigesi. You won't enter. Gawin giwibindigesi.
So that the English on here too. It could be you don't want to or you won't. All right. So it's future tense negative Gawin giwi sinisi. You don't want to eat, or you won't eat. All right, so you can substitute won't for don't want to if you want to do that too. Kind of confusing, sorry, but then we talked about using na, and using how do we use these in question form. And here's how we do it. Use na when the word ends with a vowel. A double A, E I double I, O or double O. You use na because it kind of just flows with it. Well, you'll see examples here in a little bit. Or you can use ina for either one, however you're comfortable saying the question. Use ina when the word ends with a consonant. So any other letters besides these ones up here. And we'll go through these real quick here and how to do our questions. So VAI, positive future tense questions in third person perspective, talking about she or he. We're going to use we plus our verb plus na or ina. All right. And also note here this other rule, na or ina, the question marker will always come in the second position of a sentence. All right. So we'll notice that here. Basic. We sine na. Does she or he want to drink? We sine na. Oh yeah, eat. My bad. We sine na. Does she or he want to eat? We sine na. All right. Nij. We minikwe na. Does she or he want to drink? We minikwe na. Niswe. We bimose na. Does she or he want to walk? We bimose na. Niwen. We bimi batu na. Does she or he want to run? We bimi batu na. Nanan. We bean the gay na. Does she or he want to enter or come in? We bean the gay na. So notice when I was talking about up here, the na follows the vowel order. So in most Ojibwe words, we'll see a consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel order, and that kind of goes through here. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant, and a vowel. So you'll notice that when we give our examples here. So here we go. Positive future in first person talking about I. We're going to add ne plus we plus our verb. I don't know if this rule follows in here. So I might have left this in here. But then we have na or ina. And once again, it'll always come in the second position. So here we go. Yep, that rule does take place here. So here we go. Ashibejik niwi wisinina. Do I want to eat? Niwi wisinina. And once again, these are examples. So I don't know where I would ask somebody where I would be doing these things, but these are just examples. So Ashinij niwi minikwe na. Do I want to drink? Niwi minikwe na. Ashiniswe niwi bimose na. Do I want to walk? Niwi bimose na. Ashiniwin niwi bimi batu na. Do I want to run? Niwi bimi batu na. And Ashinanin niwi being the gay na. Do I want to enter or do I want to come in? Niwi being the gay na. All right, going into VAI positive future tense questions. In the second person perspective, we're going to add ge plus we plus our verb. And then the short vowel I-O drops off, and then na or ina. And it's always in the second position. So here we go. Ashingo dwaso. Giwi wisin na. Do you want to eat? Giwi wisin na. Ashinij waso. Ashinijwaso. Giwi minikoina. Do you want to drink? Giwi minikoina. Ashinishwaso. Giwi bimosena. Do you want to walk? Giwi bimosena. Ashijangaso. Giwi bimi batuna. Do you want to run? Giwi bimi batuna. And nishtana. Giwi bindagena. Do you want to enter? Giwi bindagena. And that will do it for our notes from July 16th, 2024 Ojibwe language table at Obimindwa Gidinawe Ma Gananaduk program. And we'll see you in the next episode. May Guch Bizindawig.